Hello everyone. Today I'm working on a new project. It is a knapsack made with cork and faux leather and faux suede. The beautiful print you see is a new cork design that is printed to look like fabric. We're seeing some exciting things happening with cork, and cork is a fun material to sew with. The pockets were put on in an unusual technique using the blind hem foot. And the blind hem foot is a perfect foot to use when you want to top stitch close to the edge. I've got another couple of examples to show you. In this little bag, you'll see the ribbon that's been added down at the bottom, the orange ribbon. It's stitched on both sides, very close to the edge, and I was able to do that because I used the blind hem foot for top stitching. Another great technique is to use the blind hem foot for sewing in pockets. You can see how close I got to the edge. And so before we go too far, I want to show you what I did to get that kind of result. Today I'm sewing on the Designer Epic 2, but all of our machines have the ability to move the needle from left to right, anywhere from 25 to 37 needle positions, and all of our machines come with the blind hem foot. Today I'm setting up on a stitch 2, which is the center needle, but then I've moved the needle position to -3.0, so the needle is over to the left. I'm using the blind hem foot. This is what the blind hem foot looks like. It's got a letter D on it. You can see as I lift it up that the left-hand side is a little higher and the right side is a little deeper and a little wider. I'm going to put it on the Designer Epic 2. I'm going to start down lower on one edge so you can see how I turn a corner and see how easy it is to get really nice, great top stitching. The left-hand side, both sides of the cork that I've got put together here are butted up against the right-hand side. And when I start sewing, I've set the needle so the needle will stop in the down position. So when I stop it, I'll lift the foot up to adjust it. You see how little effort it takes to be able to line those edges up. When I come close to the edge, I'm going to stop, and I know it's going to be the right time to turn when I have no fabric under the right side. I can see I need to take an extra stitch or two. Tap my foot pedal, the needle comes up, tap it in, it goes down, and that's the same with all of our foot pedals. And now when I turn the corner, I'm just going to sew. And now I'm ready to turn the corner again. Wasn't that easy? Now, this is where it's fun because the first side is all set. All I have to do is put my foot on the pedal and sew. Isn't it nice to see how straight and accurate it can be using the blind hem foot? So the next time you have a top stitching project to do, or you're putting pockets, ribbons, or anytime you want to be really accurate, the blind hem foot is a fabulous foot to use. Give it a try.